Today's video, I will share with you top 5 best electric lawn mower review. So, let's start. Number 1. Heavy-duty remote control lawn mower robot. Introducing our heavy-duty remote control lawn mower robot, a cutting-edge solution for effortless lawn maintenance. Powered by a robust 24V to 58V brushless DC motor, this 3-in-1 electric lawn mower boasts a durable manganese steel blade for precise cutting. With a 60-liter weeding bag, it efficiently collects debris. Enjoy quiet operation with noise registration at just 70 dBA. The compact design, measuring 1,200mm x 1,240mm x 550mm, ensures easy maneuverability. It can be powered by either 48V or 220V, delivering 4,000 W of power and a forward speed of 3,000 RPM. Upgrade your lawn care experience today. Number 2. Lithium battery push-type electric lawn mower. Introducing our Lithium electric lawn mower, the perfect tool for small household lawn maintenance and precision weed removal. This compact model features an 8-inch blade for precise trimming, with a robust 21V 3.0 Ah lithium battery that ensures 2 to 3 hours of uninterrupted use. Charging takes just 2 hours, making it efficient and convenient. The mower boasts a powerful 18,000 RPM motor, and its lightweight design, with a 28mm steel pipe, provides easy maneuverability. With a length of 150 centimeters, it's perfect for reaching tight spots. Packaged at just 6 kilograms and 110 by 15 by 30 centimeters in size, it's your go-to lawn care companion. Number 3. Multifunctional hand-push electric lawn mower. Meet our versatile LM320 multifunctional lawn mower, a powerful 1600W electric grass cutting machine designed for your garden and courtyard needs. With a voltage of 220V and a rapid 3600 RPM speed, it effortlessly trims and maintains your lawn. Its wide 32 cm maximum cutting diameter ensures efficient coverage, while its manageable weight of 8 kilograms allows for easy handling. The compact packaging size of 60 by 40 by 36 centimeters makes storage a breeze. Say goodbye to unruly grass with this reliable, electric-powered lawn mower. Upgrade your lawn care routine today with the LM320. Number 4. Electric hand-push grass cutting machine. Introducing the Courtyard LM320 electric lawn mower, a reliable hand-push grass cutting machine perfect for household lawn care in your garden or courtyard. With a powerful 1600W motor, it operates efficiently at 3600 RPM, ensuring a clean and precise cut. The maximum cutting diameter of 32 centimeters covers a wide area, while the manageable weight of 8 kilograms makes it easy to maneuver. It runs on 220V electricity and comes in a compact packaging size of 60 by 40 by 36 centimeters. Trust the Courtyard brand for a well-maintained lawn with the LM320 electric lawn mower. Number 5. 2400W hand-propelled electric lawn mower. Introducing our 2400W hand-propelled electric lawn mower, the ideal choice for effortless grass cutting in your garden. With a powerful 2400W motor and a voltage of 220V, it delivers exceptional performance. The mower features a convenient no-load speed of 3500 RPM and offers 4 adjustable gear settings, allowing you to customize the cutting height from 30mm to 75mm. Equipped with a spacious 50L grass frame capacity, it ensures efficient grass collection, reducing your cleanup time. Maintain your lawn with ease and precision using this reliable household lawn trimmer. Thanks for watching.